And then I nailed her there and then!
Oh, Bartholomew, your stories of orthopedic emergencies are too much!
I had a patient today, sectioned by the police, again! So I gave them drugs, again!
I don't believe in drugs. I only believe in hammer and muscle. I don't even prescribe painkillers or blood thinners anymore. What about you, George? Have a good day?
Same old, same old. Had 4 patients die in our first tea break alone. DNAR, of course, poor Jerry's. Had my med student Ben T with me today, though. Really desperate to become a geriatrician. I'd like to think I'm moulding him in my image.
Well, scrawny little bugger I have as my mentee keeps following me around, desperate to get her hands on the old chisel and nails.
Chisel and nails.
I think I've taught her a thing or two.
Little versions of ourselves, really, aren't they, Bartholomew? They'll do whatever we tell them to.
Say whatever we tell them to, and touch
no, Barty.
Well, I've taught my medical student everything I know.
What, me too?
Me too.
My medical student's here, actually.
And mine?
Mine too. How convenient.
Well, I'll show the 2 of you that my one does the thing that does the best thing and the thing. Well, that got away from me, but
You're on then.
Now, Alex, did you enjoy our ward round today?
Oh, Dr. North, I most certainly did. I particularly enjoyed our conversation about polypharmacy over our 5th cup of tea, when it was just you and me.
Thank you, Alex. And would you say geriatrics is your favourite specialty?
Oh,
I love old people so much, but not as much as I love you. Thank you, Alex.
Well, I disagree completely. I love bones, especially the broken ones, and Dr. Bartholomew knows exactly where to put his bone, if you know what I mean. Oh, well, you're too kind, dear. Now, who's your favorite orthopedic surgeon? You are like you are.
Well, you think that's impressive? Watch this. Michelle, how do you treat depression? Drugs! And how do you treat anxiety? Drugs!
Does it say anything else?
Drugs!
Hey, Alex, I've got a joke for you.
Oh, yes, Josh.
I love your humour so much. You just make me laugh and laugh and laugh. Thank you, Alex. Now, what do you call 2 orthopedic surgeons reading an ECG?
I don't know, tell me. The suspense is killing me.
It's a double-blind study.
Oh, that's hilarious! Honestly, George, you can be such...
Don't swear in front of the students.
Prick!
Hey, Alex, I've got another joke for you.
Oh, Dr. North, I hope it's even funnier than the last one. You just make me giggle.
Well, what's the difference between a psychiatrist and one of their patients?
Well, actually, there's some really interesting data about that.
The difference is the psychiatrist has the keys. Oh, that made me tickling. Oh, take a benzo and shut the fuck up.
Well, Michelle loves psychiatry, don't you, Michelle? Yes, I want to spend my whole day on the psych ward with you!
Actually, I've got teaching it too.
Shut up, Michelle.
Honestly, you're both as mad as each other.
Well, at least you need brains to be a geriatrician. You orthopods couldn't tell the difference between an antibiotic and an antihypertensive.
Could do! What's an antibiotic? Well, that makes no sense at all! Anyway, I want to talk more about Mr. Bartholomew. He's so cool and he's got such big legs. I really hope I'll be as good at surgery as him one day. Well, you see, the thing is, it's not something you can learn, especially for a dumb bitch like you. It's just, something you're born with. Besides, if you want to get ahead in the game, you're going to have to dedicate a lot more one-on-one time, if you know what I mean. Play along or I won't sign your logbook.
There's a good boy, Alex.
I don't know. Right, well, I'm off for a wank.